Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Ahmad. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Indonesia, in particular Makassar, South Sulawesi. I graduated from the University of Aberdeen early this year. I was doing master in English Literary Studies. And after that, I did an internship program at the Australian Embassy Jakarta in the Department of Media and Digital Diplomacy. Currently, I actively involved in a creative writing community, and last month I was given a chance to lead these organizations for the next 2 years. When I see these informations shared by my friends on Facebook, I directly go deeper to find the informations, and I see that the program is very interesting. So I said like I must apply to this program because first it will be a great chance for me to deepen my understanding and knowledge in media, and secondly because it's an international forum, so we can meet with many young generations, many young people from Southeast Asian countries. After that, we can build a connections and link and work collaboratively for the futures. And lastly, because the program will be in Myanmar, so it will give us a chance to visit Myanmar. And yeah, I think that's all for me. And see you, hope to see you in Yangon. Bye bye.